Hi everyone, thanks for coming today. We need to discuss how to increase social media engagement for our company's product. We also need to understand the impact of social media on the company. Sylvie, could you give us some ideas?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Valeria. I think we can start by looking at the engagement data. I previously shared and identified areas where we can improve on social media. I believe we should focus on interesting and relevant content and consider collaborating with influencers to increase our reach.
I agree with Sophie. By looking at the current data, I think we can try more creative content strategies to attract user attention. We also need to pay attention to posting consistency to build strong brand awareness, which can increase the company's revenue insight.
I think you both are right, but I also want to know if there are effective ways to increase direct interaction with our followers.
I think we can be more active in responding to comments on our social media and answering direct message. This will help build a closer relationship with our followers.
You're right, Sophie. In my opinion, we should focus on the video strategy and pay attention to content quality to make it more attractive. But we should also consider holding some contests or giveaway to encourage follower participation.
How will we divide tasks and responsibilities to implement this strategy?
I can focus on creating content and collaborating with influencers. I also can help monitor interaction with followers.
I think I can help create creative and interesting content as well as manage social media account consistently.
Okay, so we agree to create videos and focus on interesting and relevant content, work with influencers, increase direct engagement, and hold contests or giveaways. Do we all agree with this?
Yes, we do.
Absolutely, I agree too.
But there is one more thing to consider. What if you face issue with inappropriate comments or message?
That's right. We need to have a plan to handle negative comment or message.
I think we need to create clear and detailed guidelines or policies to handle such situation. These guidelines should include concrete steps to respond to negative comment or message professionally and effectively.
And I think the lack of research for the production of high quality video content can also be a problem.
Great. Maybe we need to look for alternative solution or collaborate with other team to increase resource for our video content production.
Okay, I will ask the legal team to help draft the policy and I'll start looking for relationships to collaborate on the production of our content. Let's delve deeper into the content strategy. Sylvie, you mentioned working with influencers. Do you have a specific influencers in mind?
Yes, I've compiled a list of influencers who have a strong presence in our industry and align with our brand values. I suggest we start with micro-influencers who have highly engaged audience. They tend to have a more personal connection with their followers, which can be beneficial for our brand.
That's a good idea. Micro-influencer can indeed provide a high return or investment. Also, I think we should diversify our content. Along with videos, we can use attractive posts like posts, quizzes, and stories to engage our audience.
Good point, Valeria. Interactive content can make our followers feel more involved and valued. What about user-generated content? How we can encourage our followers to create content related to our brand?
We could start a campaign that encourages followers to share their experience with our products. We can create a unique hashtag for the campaign and feature the best post on our official page. This not only increases engagement but also builds a sense of community.
And to add to that, we can offer incentives like discount or exclusive offers to those who participate. This will motivate our users to join the campaign.
Excellent suggestions. We should also have a content calendar to ensure consistency. Valeria, could you take the lead on the creating this calendar and ensure we have a good mix of content types scheduled throughout the month?
Absolutely, I will draft a content calendar and share it with the team for feedback. I will include a variety of posts like videos, interactive content, influencer collaboration, and user-generated content.
Sounds perfect. Now, regarding the handling of negative comments and message, Sylvie, could you draft a preliminary version of the guidelines? We can then review and finalize them together.
Sure, I'll get started on that. I'll include protocols for various scenarios such as spam, abusive language, and constructive criticism. We should also outline when to escalate issue to higher management.
It might also be helpful, I think, to have a set of provide response for common issues. This will ensure our response are consistent and aligned with our brand voice.
Good idea, Valeria. Let's also consider having regular training session for anyone handling our social media accounts so they are well equipped to manage the situation effectively. Well, thank you for everyone's participation. I'm confident that with teamwork, we can increase social media engagement and achieve the targets we have set. Let's reconvene next week to review our progress and make any necessary adjustment.
You're welcome, ma'am. Looking forward to seeing the results.
You're welcome, ma'am. I'm excited about implementing these strategies.
Great. Have a productive week, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.